Fix Windows Volume Mixer not saving change. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Run Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Solution 2. Update drivers. Outdated drivers could be the cause of this issue. Solution 3. Enable exclusive mode. Type Tindval and hit enter. Once the volume mixer opens, click on the speaker icon. The speaker properties dialog will now open. Here, navigate to the Advanced tab. Under exclusive mode, check the options allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode application priority. Solution 4. Uninstall the most recent Windows update. Updates can sometimes cause conflicts with audio drivers or settings, resulting in problems with the volume mixer. The user can eliminate the possibility that the most recent Windows update is the source of the problem by uninstalling it.